Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply for a Morocco eVisa step by step full information. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so in front of you I have opened official Morocco government eVisa site. So first is the wizard where you can enter your information and check if you really need a visa, and at the bottom of this page you have links for e-visa and ETA as well. So after I entered the sample information, I got the information like we can apply for e-visa. So I clicked. So first is check email, eligibility, travel document, personal information, further information, attachment. Then how it was: apply online, fill your information, pay, and then you can track. Okay, all right. So I'm just gonna begin with, okay. So what happens, like after you enter your email, you get an email with a link. You need to click on the link to continue. And I clicked and it took me to eligibility page. So some questions it has picked up from the previous page. Okay, the wizard. Okay, next is, so then we click on next. You can make any change here. Now travel docu conditions. I am traveling for tourism purpose. I have a return ticket, hotel reservation. I have sufficient fund, €70 per day minimum. Wow. I have one number valid while leaving Morocco. I said with the accuracy information. Any refused request is none for refundable. Okay. Next is personal information: name, date of birth, place of birth, email, occupation, passport number, information. Next. So I'm going to put some sample and go to the next screen. Next, it asks for the further information, expect date of arrival, date to leave Morocco. So I'm going to put some sample and I click on next. Attachment, so photo and passport. So in the next stage it will ask to pay. That I'm not gonna do. So I hope you got the idea. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.